Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're checking out one of the most advanced smart floor cleaners currently available, the DREAME H15 Pro Heat Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This cordless vacuum mop combines powerful suction, intelligent cleaning technology, hot water washing, and automated self-cleaning into one premium cleaning system designed for modern homes. Right away, the standout feature is the 185-degree Fahrenheit hot water floor cleaning system. Unlike standard wet-dry vacuums that simply mop with room temperature water, the H15 Pro Heat uses heated water to help break down sticky messes, grease, dried stains, and stubborn dirt more effectively. This gives floors a noticeably deeper clean, especially in kitchens, dining areas, and high-traffic spaces. The vacuum also delivers an impressive 22 kPa suction power, allowing it to vacuum dust, debris, pet hair, crumbs, and liquid spills at the same time. Instead of vacuuming first and mopping separately, this machine handles both jobs simultaneously, saving a huge amount of time during daily cleaning. One of the smartest features here is the gap-free AI robotic arm technology. The vacuum automatically adjusts and extends to clean edges and corners more effectively, reducing the annoying gaps many floor cleaners leave behind near walls and furniture. This helps create a more complete edge-to-edge cleaning experience. Another major highlight is the zero-hair tangle system. If you have pets or long hair in your home, tangled brush rolls can become a constant frustration. The DREAME H15 Pro is engineered to resist hair wrapping while maintaining consistent cleaning performance with less maintenance required. Since this is a cordless wet-dry vacuum, mobility is excellent. You can easily move from room to room without worrying about power cords, and the lightweight design makes it comfortable for everyday use. The self-cleaning system is where this vacuum really starts feeling futuristic. After cleaning, the H15 Pro automatically washes the brush roller using 212-degree hot water for deeper sanitation and hygiene. Then it uses 194-degree hot air drying to dry the roller and reduce moisture buildup, helping minimize odors and bacteria growth between uses. The smart sensor system also automatically adjusts suction and water flow depending on how dirty the floor is, improving efficiency and battery management while delivering optimized cleaning performance. Performance on hard floors is excellent, especially for tile, laminate, hardwood, and sealed flooring surfaces. It handles wet spills and dry debris smoothly while leaving floors cleaner and faster drying compared to traditional mopping. Overall, the DREAME H15 Pro Heat is an ultra-premium wet-dry vacuum cleaner built for people who want maximum convenience, advanced automation, powerful suction, hot water cleaning, and intelligent floor care technology in one machine. It's one of the most feature-packed cordless vacuum mops available today. If you want to check the latest price or learn more about the DREAME H15 Pro Heat Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner, check the Amazon link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to GadgetVerse for more daily tech and home product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.